Alright, we're here again with today's standout player and man of the match. You guys have heard this story before. Dujuan Whisper Richards. First and foremost, good game baller. Speak to us about your performance.
Disappointed, same way. Disappointed. It was a good match. That's all.
Alright, what you said you're disappointed with your performance. Tell us what you think you could have improved upon today.
Scored the 7. That's all.
So the interview that you gave us, you were looking forward to actually proving people wrong because people are saying you can't score the 7.
Simple thing. Simple thing.
So is that what you have to say to the people who are saying you can't score the 7?
Simple thing.
Do you think there will be an opportunity in the Manning Cup for you to score the 7 again?
Same way.
Alright. So Jose Marti would have posed somewhat of a challenge for you guys in the last game, right? And you made a bold statement saying that you guys would come out and dominate them. How does it feel now that the game is over and you guys have done what you said you were going to do?
The last game was just a bad game. So we train, go back to the training ground, do what we have to do. That's all.
Alright. Scoring 5 goals in a game is absolutely incredible, absolutely ridiculous. Right? Speak to us about how it feels to score 5 goals in one Manning Cup game.
It's a regular thing. not normal, it's a regular thing.
And not only did you manage to score 5 goals, but you also were involved in 8 goals. How is it being like a creator and a provider for your team?
It's a normal thing, as I say, for scoring 5 goals is normal.
Alright, people, his coach wants him right now. Man of the match.